So I was supposed to clean my room before I graduated because, you know, that just seems logical. Have your room clean before graduation. And plus my mom wanted my room clean before the graduation party at my house. That didn't happen because honestly, I was more concerned with how I looked at graduation than how my room looked. No one's seeing my room, people are seeing me. I wanna look cute. So yeah, if you guys wanna see like the getting ready for my graduation and all that, I will leave it down below. I guess watch me clean my room. So I'm just gonna grab this extra large bag. If you saw my last video, you know exactly why I said that. So I'm starting the time right now. Let's see how long it takes me to clean my room. So now I'm thinking maybe I should wash my sheets now, so then when I'm done, my sheets will be clean. All right, so now that I'm doing my laundry, I'm going to move on to this section over here because this is the section that just gives me the most anxiety. I'm almost done with the section, but I am so tired and I feel really lightheaded. I didn't eat breakfast, so I don't think this is good. So I am done with this section finally. I just want my floors cleared. I finally finished this section of my room, but while I was cleaning, I noticed these like stains on my wood floor, and then I realized it's my nail polish remover. If I do not fix that, my dad's gonna be so angry. So I need to figure out how I'm going to cover that up because it looks really bad. Anyway, on a happy note, I am almost done cleaning my room. So I just need to, let me move my tripod. I just need to take care of like my shelf and everything. My clothes, I really don't know if I'm gonna do that today. I just like, update, the clothes are still there.
1 minute. All I can say is, well, there were times.
All right. Good news, the stain isn't worse. Bad news, I still have the stain. Okay, so giving up on that, I'm going to polish my floors. Hopefully the